Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rifle local and long-distance movers near me. Looking to move within Rifle CO? Ever wondered how local movers make your city transition easier? Discover the incredible services offered by Rifle Local TM Movers. Rifle Local TM Movers provide expert packing, careful handling, and prompt transportation. We ensure your belongings reach their destination in perfect condition. With our attention to detail and professional expertise, you can focus on the excitement of your new beginning. Experience a seamless transition and embrace Rifle's vibrant heritage with the assistance of Rifle Local TM Movers. Are you getting ready to go on a long-distance move from Rifle? Rifle Long Distance 3 Movers can provide you with a successful relocation. Our dedicated professionals understand the importance of secure packing methods and take extra measures to protect your items during the move. Concerned about budgeting for your move? We understand the final aspect of the relocation. Rifle Long Distance 3 Movers offers competitive pricing options tailored to your specific needs, allowing you to find a solution that aligns with your budget. Our team is certified to handle long-distance moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rifle Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.